You can't see it in real time, but if we speed up the video, you'll see the Boeing 777 production line is on the move. Earlier this year, Boeing put the entire U-shaped manufacturing process into motion. Mechanics install parts and lay down wiring as a tug pulls the airplane sections along the factory floor. It might be inching along, but the movement goes a long way.
It brings a sense of urgency to the floor, because if you have a problem on the airplane and the mechanic asks for the aircraft to be stopped, we would bring everybody down to the floor, see what they can do to resolve it to get the airplane back up and moving again.
This is how the factory used to look, like a parking lot. Planes stayed in the same place until one jet is completed and rolled out the factory. Every other plane then moves up a spot. In 2005, encouraged by the success of the 737 team, which launched a moving line and shaved days off the final assembly process, the 777 program decided to give movement a try. Employees spent time studying the flow in the factory and strategized on how all the teams would work together under the new system. A year later, Boeing started moving parts of the line forward, and it hasn't looked back since. Here, Ken Moran is working on the main landing gear doors, while the plane moves at about 1.5 inches a minute.
The visual on the floor is very clear. You've got less clutter, very clean. It drives you to have everything in its place during the process, because your mechanics are moving along with the airplane as it's moving, and you're bringing the equipment as you need it.
You can't argue with the time savings. Where it used to take 26 days to assemble a 777, it now only takes 17 days.